Hey ladies, good morning. Today we're going to work on the forehead area and I'm going to show you some exercises for the uh, relaxing forehead. And these actually exercises you can include into the morning routine. Until you're in the bed, you can start wake up for the forehead because maybe you know that maybe not that during the night in the sleep phase actually we can frown our forehead and that's why we have some lines. For some people there are 11 lines, some people one, some people is a horizontal, just depends. um, right now I'm going to show you which one muscles we're going to work. Like this on the front, it's a muscle frontalis. Can you see how it's formed? So we are going to work here and lift the muscles up, 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 because uh, actually when the forehead is wrinkled and it's lower uh, on the area on the top of the head, then it's going to affect the whole face. And that's why we try to relax, and release the tension of this area in order to lift a little bit the whole face. I'm Vili. I'm a certified yoga teacher. And let's dive to this exercise into today's lesson. Put the thumbs up on the front of the head. Relax shoulders and start very slowly lifting the muscle. Try to lift the muscle, not only the skin. And lift slowly, firmly, just 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Slide. And again, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. In the same area, we can do additional one exercise with the knuckles here, like using one of them or both of them. Believe me, if you haven't done this exercise, you're going to have tension here and even pain. But continue doing this every day, every morning, let's say, when you woke up in the bed. Gradually, this pain is going to go away. Trust me on that. So let's start. Knuckle up and just move. No more than 30 seconds, 30, 40 seconds. Roll it. One hand, both of hands. Again, it's a pleasure here when it's releasing that area. Perfect, beautiful. We, after that, just calm the area like using our fingers like that. Just relax, close your eyes and doing this for a few seconds. Perfect. The last exercise that I'm going to show you It's a brushing of the eyebrows. Eyebrows, if they're going up, they're open the eye area. It is going to be more beautiful and more relaxing. So, cross fingers like that. Relax the arms and work with the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's nice, isn't it? It's nice sensation. 8, 9, here in the middle, that is 11 lines, and 10. Relax. So that was a lesson for today, and I do hope that you'll find this lesson useful for you. If you that, please leave a message or comment on below and like the video. Have a great day. Be healthy. Be beautiful. Bye for now.